Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to connect Wi-Fi without password. So to do that, let's head over to the settings option in here. And once you're there, you will find several options in the connection section. Go to the connections and in here, go to the Wi-Fi section. And as you can see, I have a Wi-Fi connected, so I'm going to tap on it. And here I have the option of connecting with password. So if I don't want to connect with password or someone else don't want to, I don't want someone else to know the password. So what I will do is just to tap on the QR code on the top bottom left corner, and I'm tapping on the QR code option, and here I'm tapping my phone's password. Now here's the QR code. So they have to scan this QR code from their phone, and then they will be connected within this Wi-Fi network. So yeah, this is how you can connect Wi-Fi without password. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below, and we will see you in the next video.